Today, let's talk about the iconic winged eyeliner. Timeless, chic, and always in style. There's just something magical about the way a single flick of liner can completely transform your look, making you feel instantly more put together and expressive. A perfect wing instantly lifts your eyes and adds glamour to any look. It's like a mini facelift, but with just a swipe of your favorite liner. Whether you're going for a dramatic cat eye or a soft, subtle flick, the effect is always eye-catching. From old Hollywood to today's red carpets, the winged liner is everywhere for a reason. It's a beauty staple that stood the test of time, worn by icons and trendsetters alike, and it never fails to make a statement. It's versatile. Go subtle for day, bold for night. There's a wing for every mood. You can match it to your outfit, your attitude, or even your plans for the day. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes it so fun. More than makeup, it's a confidence boost and a statement. That little wing can make you feel powerful, creative, and ready to take on anything. Many think it's too hard or only for pros, but anyone can master it. It's not about perfection. It's about having fun and expressing yourself. All you need are the right tools, a little patience, and a simple guide. With a steady hand and a bit of practice, you'll be surprised at how quickly you improve. We'll break it down into easy steps so you can conquer your fear and have fun. No more frustration or smudged lines, just clear, simple instructions and encouragement. This is for beginners who dream of rocking a sharp, flawless wing. Even if you've never tried before, you'll see just how doable it is. Forget complicated tutorials. Let's make it simple and enjoyable. We'll skip the jargon and focus on what really works. By the end, you'll be lining and winging like a pro. You'll have the skills and the confidence to experiment and make the look your own. You'll wonder why you ever hesitated. The journey to mastering the wing is easier than you think. Ready to unlock your inner makeup artist? Let's embrace the creativity and fun that comes with every swipe. Let's get started and transform your look. Grab your liner, take a deep breath, and let's dive in together. You're about to look and feel amazing. Let's make your winged eyeliner dreams a reality. First, let's talk tools. Having the right tools is the secret to making eyeliner easy, even if you're just starting out. For beginners, a felt-tip liquid eyeliner pen is your best friend. Think of it as a marker for your eyes. It's super easy to control, and you can create both thin and thick lines with just a little practice. Look for one that's very black with a flexible, precise tip. This will help you get that crisp, defined line every time, whether you're going for a subtle look or a bold wing. Cotton swabs are your magic erasers for quick cleanups. They're perfect for fixing little mistakes or sharpening up your lines. Use them dry for minor smudges, or dip them in a bit of makeup remover for super sharp edges and to tidy up any slips. A good concealer and a flat brush help carve out and perfect your wing. This combo lets you clean up the edges and make your eyeliner look extra sharp and professional. Choose a concealer that matches your skin tone for seamless blending. This way, your corrections will melt right into your skin and look totally natural. A magnifying mirror can help with precision, letting you see every detail up close. But always check your work from a normal distance for symmetry and balance. Don't forget, step back and look at the big picture. This helps you make sure both eyes match and your look is just right. With these essentials, you're ready to start. Having everything laid out makes the process smoother and more fun. Gather your tools and let's move on to the fun part. Simple tools, big results. Let's do this and create your perfect eyeliner look together. Time to apply. Let's get ready to create a flawless eyeliner look that enhances your eyes and brings your whole makeup together. Start by gently lining your upper lash line, working from the inner corner outward. Don't try to draw one long line. Use the connect the dots method for more control and precision. Place small dashes or dots along your lash line, as close to the lashes as possible, to map out your shape. This gives you a helpful guide and prevents any awkward gaps or unevenness. Rest your elbow on a flat surface for a steady hand and look down into a mirror to keep your eyelids smooth and relaxed. Use tiny, gentle strokes from the inner to outer corner, keeping the line thin at first so you can build up gradually. Connect the dots with short, feathery strokes for a clean, seamless line that hugs your lashes. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Let it dry. Then gently clean up with a cotton swab or makeup remover. For a natural look, keep your line thin. For a more dramatic effect, thicken the outer half for extra emphasis. Make sure the line is thinnest at the inner corner and gradually gets thicker toward the outer edge for a flattering shape. This shape opens up your eyes beautifully, making them appear bigger and brighter. Practice makes perfect. Don't rush and enjoy the process. You've got the basics down. Now you're ready to experiment and make the look your own? Now let's tackle the wing itself. Don't stress, it's easier than you think. The secret is the angle. Imagine a line from your lower lash line up toward the end of your brow. Use a business card, tape, or brush handle as a guide for a perfect angle. Draw a small line from your outer corner, following that upward angle. Start short and thin. You can always build up. The upward angle lifts your eyes and flatters every shape. Step back and check the angle in the mirror. Adjust as needed. This is your blueprint. The first line is the most important. Get it right, and the rest is easy. Once you're happy, you're ready for the next step. You're doing great. Time to connect and fill in your wing. Draw a second line from the tip of your wing back to your lash line, forming a small triangle. Connect it around the center of your eyelid for a classic look. Outline first, then fill in the triangle with your liner. Use small strokes for even color and sharp edges. If you go outside the lines, clean up with a cotton swab. Adjust the thickness as you like. Make the transition from thin to thick smooth. Perfect the shape and length to suit your style. That's it. Line, wing, connect, fill. You've created a gorgeous wing. Simple, satisfying, and stunning. Getting both wings to match is tricky, but here's how to nail it. Do each step on both eyes before moving to the next. Compare as you go. Use tape as a guide for symmetry. Angle it the same on both sides. Trace along the tape for a sharp, even wing, then peel away for a crisp edge. Mistakes? Don't panic. Use a cotton swab with remover for precise fixes. Concealer on a flat brush sharpens edges even more. For hooded eyes or smudging, use waterproof liner and let it dry with your eyes down. Set with a bit of black eyeshadow for extra staying power. Remember, practice and patience are key. Symmetry takes time, but you'll get there. Keep going. You're almost a pro. Remember, makeup is about fun and self-expression. Winged liner is a skill. Practice makes progress. Your first tries won't be perfect, and that's okay. Even pros started as beginners. Don't stress over imperfections. Rock your wings with confidence. Practice a little each day, starting small and building up. Your hand will get steadier, and you'll find what works for your eyes. Don't compare yourself to others. Celebrate your progress. Every even wing is a win. Grab your liner, put on some music, and enjoy the process. Confidence is the best thing you can wear. You've got this. Show off those gorgeous wings. Can't wait to see your amazing looks.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.